Welcome to the Forex Trading Channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to run through you a trade analysis for a stop hunt on the the Swiss franc Japanese yen. As you can see here, had some strong moves down, pushed up, started to form a little bit of structure. Got this little zone right here. So we've got some selling pressure, selling pressure, selling pressure, selling pressure, selling pressure, selling pressure. Accumulation of retail trader stops, 5 or 10 pips off the highs. Obviously looking for a shoot back down to the lows. We've also got breakout traders jumping in right there as we break this structure. As soon as we break this structure, a little bit of selling pressure there. And then we start to fall away. There is some potential, there is some potential to possibly gather some retracement traders if they could be convinced that that was an adequate retracement to the 50% and they've missed this breakout. But the amount there would be limited just from looking at that structure. Perfect opportunity to get involved. Again, another good example, not to panic. You've come back up, retested your entry. In my opinion, if you missed it the first time round, good opportunity to get in. And for a second time. We're now just pushing down. Haven't quite completed this 2 to 1. I would be looking for extended targets on this to at least a 2.5 down to the lows, and possibly even further for secondary or additional position targets. Anyway, I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to please leave a like, a comment, and obviously share, and I'll see you in the next one.